Sanibonani sihlobo zami kumagumba amanadaliweyo, ngiyabingelela. Ngithi ninjani na lapha engabe likhona? Ungabe usemakhaya, ungabe usesitimeleni, ungabe usemsebenzini, ungabe usesibhedlela, mhlawumbe abanye bangaphakathi bavalelwe ejele, kodwa ngithi mina ngumthakazo omuhle. Ngiyakwamukela futhi ngiyakuthanda. Kulimini enhle igama lami nguThabo kaNkomo, inkomo edla yodwa Mageza ngochago. Bengithi ngiyathula nje kodwa akuvumi ukubana ngithule. Nyazi abantu abaningi bathi ngumlomo kawuhlala umpukane, umlomo ongagcwala umfula. Bathi ngiyakhuluma too much, but akuvumi ukuthi ngithule. I'm failing to be quiet this afternoon. Nezinto engizibonayo ezenzakala. Thuli ngisho kuwe Thuli, ngikhuluma nawe. Ngithi akuvumi ukubana ngithule Thuli. Akuvumi ukubana ngithule Thuli, bengithi ngiyathula kodwa akuvumi ukubana ngithule Thuli. Yikho nje ngihaya linkondlo, inhliziyokazi yamikazi ebuhlungukazi, inhliziyo yamikazi eciphiza ibhibhidla isilondakazi esibuhlungukazi. Thuli, akuvumi ukubana ngithule Thuli. Ngiloba linkondlo ngenyembezikazi zami, inyembezi zegazikazi, igazi labo mama bethu, igazi elichitheka njalo nje lichithwa isandla samadoda. Igazi lichitheka njalo nje, igazi labantwana abancane abahlukubezwa ngamanye amadoda phakathi kwethu. Amadoda athi ngamadoda kodwa ngamadojelana nje. Thuli, akuvumi ukubana ngithule Thuli. Ikonje ngiloba linkondlo Thuli, ngesilonda kaze sibhibhidlayo Thuli, sibhibhidla ubovukazi kanye legazi. Isilonda somoya, isilonda senyama, isilonda somphefumulo Thuli. Thuli ngithunukiwe Thuli, ngithukiwe Thuli, ngethusiwe Thuli, ngicunuliwe Thuli. Kangilakho ukuthula Thuli, kento seluthuli Thuli, ngethesumlando Thuli. Akuvumi Thuli, Thuli akuvumi ukuthi ngithule, imicabango yami idungekile Thuli. Amehlo wami aphandliwe Thuli, ngikhangele kodwa kangiboni Thuli. Thuli, amehlo wami aphandlele uThuli, uThuli ledwendwe, udwendwe lezimoto, izimoto ezithwele laba sabethule Thuli. Thuli, intombi encane ishonile ngelacala, bebethi bayamthanda kodwa sebempulele. Thuli, ugogo yena ufele ipentsheni yakhe Thuli, akuvumi ukubana ngithule. Thuli, omama bethu emshadweni bashayelwani Thuli, bathukelwani Thuli. Akuvumi Thuli ukubana ngithule Thuli. Ngithi seludlame Thuli, udlame lamanye amadoda phakathi kwethu Thuli. Amanye amadoda asaphenduke ubhinya oloboya Thuli. Thuli, mhlawumbe abaswisisi Thuli, mhlawumbe Thuli sebebuswa yileli idimonikazi. Bayadelela ngoba uyabathanda Thuli, bayadelela ngoba bakhiphele inkomo zamalobolo Thuli. Thuli, akuvumi ukubana ngithule Thuli, akuvumi Thuli. Kodwa ke sengiyothula Thuli inkondlo, sengiyoyithula Thuli, kodwa akuvumi ukubana ngithule Thuli. Akuvumi Thuli, akuvumi Thuli. Ya, imi uThabo kaNkomo. Ngiloba linkondlo ngibhekelele isandla samadoda. Amanye amadoda, hayi wonke amadoda, not all men are abusers, not all men are possessed with domestic violence. Yikho ke ngiloba linkondlo ngoba namhlanje ngihamba sengishadele 1893 imthwakazi Human Rights Restoration Movement eholela uMthembani Mfokadube ngase UK. Silwela amalungelo abantu, human rights, okuqela khona abalungelo abantu besifazana, amalungelo ezingane, amalungelo ethu general ezabantu bakamthwakazi, ilungelo lethu lokuphila, lokuhlonitshwa, singahlukumezwa. Yikho nje ngihamba le 1893. Mina nguThabo kaNkomo, ngizalele emzini omkhulu koBulawayo. I was born in Bulawayo, the city of kings, some years back, 47 years ago. I grew up in Plumtree, small border town next to Botswana. ngafunde Allen Redfern, ngaye eMbakwe, ngaye UCE 2000, ngaye UK. I started my journey in 1992. Ngaperforma. I started my first album, mangirecorder uvula umnyango. By that time it was so expensive. I couldn't manage to have a CD. It was my wish. So my first album was uvula umnyango, ingirecordele koBulawayo. Ngazolandela mina ngoSilamulele baba, ngirecorde sengise UK ngo-2000, ngirecorde sengise UK. Kwabuya after Silamulele baba, kwabuya Not Guilty Nkosi, yenze iloda manje online. Not Guilty Nkosi, lapha basengihamba basengithinta late amagugu amatsha okungene khona ingoma ethi Plant ehlangisa abantu abaningi. From there ngazongena ke lapha iTruth and Love ngibuza kuwe. Okwamanje ngipheka idlalathi, then kwangena umoya wami. After umoya wami ngichaye kakhulu lama TAA. Okwamanje ngipheka idlalathi elikhulu kakhulu elizophuma ngoDisemba, lapha ngithi mina 100% Mthwakazi. 100% Mthwakazi. Ikhona eminye imisebenzi yami like ngile DVD abathanda ukubona, it's like an hour. Imisebenzi yami, poetry yami. Njalo zikhona ezinye incwadi zami self published. Ezinye khona imisebe yelanga le contribution. Even inkondlo kubalobi bakithi I've put contribution. Ihawula abafundi too. Malisalikhumbula ikhona inkondlo yami uChichina nenze ngaduma ngayo. So I'm just a poet, but I want to call myself a township poet. I'm not a slam poet. I'm not a dab poet. I'm a township poet. Ngoba this is where I grew up. Loba ngasahlale lokushini kodwa ngikhulele khona. Konke engikwenzayo I'm being inspired by a township. Njalo ke I'm also a teacher by profession. I started teaching in 1995. So mangiyenza lo msebenzi wami lona ekugcineni ngithi no, let me share my talent with other people. Sengisebenze kakhulu mostly uDube. I've worked with uDube, NID, Nkululeko Yabatsha School of Arts, IYASA. I've worked with Lolari Mhlanga, UK. I've worked with many artists. Ngeke ngibaqambe, the list is endless. Ngoba mina I believe in wako wathi uDube kwenye show sikubumba laphana kubulawa wathi inyoni ehlakaniphileyo yakha isikhundla sayo, isidleke sayo ngesiba sezinye inyoni. So I've learned ukuthi let's share the knowledge, the little that I have, the little that we have, let's share it together. Akubulali umuntu, it doesn't kill. I've also worked with uSinini weTangapansi, uSinini weTangapansi normally sekujame udlala ikatari these days, uchawo Pop Mali, nithemba liyambona lani khona apha emoyeni uSinini. I've worked. What really inspires uThabo? Many things. I'm inspired by you. I'm inspired by myself. Most of my recordings, mangibheka ama albums zami, they are like 2, 4, 6. Second album lam there's 7. 75% of the things that I record are really things affecting me in real life. In a way, I am affected in real life. And mostly it's the politics. It's the politics. Ungananzelela from album 1 uSilamulele baba. Ungayibheka nje utrack number kule side B ingoma kaJoshua Mqabuko Nkomo, ngibe lo Siyesaba izindaba, ngibe lo Harare. All these, that's why I started my journey. Someone will say ngiqale manje 1893. Ngiqalile 2000. Ngiqalile. But yes, of course besaba phela. I had many threats mina ngithreatenwe ngama-CIO bebuya bengithumela. I was forced to perform umgaba. I remember at one point a donator I was coming from UK, I think it was 2004. A donator computer kweZimnyama secondary school eVimila laphana. Kwathiwa ngiperforme mina. Ambiza ama-CIO bathi follow this script or else uphelile ngawe. Well, I performed. I remember that day in kweZimnyama, I was the only person who provided entertainment because the late Mugabe president was late. So wavele mayengena kwabizwa mfana kaNkomo woza ngashaya inkondlo yami ngachiya la magaba abangafuniyo ngafaka laba, but nanku ngiyaphila namhlanje. So even mangabheka lo Silamulele baba, I have some songs there. The song itself ethi Silamulele baba is political. sahlala phansi sakhala izinyembezi. We sat down and wept. Ngizwisa ubuhlungu ngoba namhlanje lokho esihleli phansi lokho esikhala izinyembezi sikhalelani bantu bakaMthwakazi. Nithi vuka Mthwakazi kuzaze kube nini isikhala. Alobe intaba zemathojeni ziyabona lokho esikubonayo. Uziyakubona lokho ezakubonayo ngesikhathi sekugurawundi. Aluba la uyakubona. Ngaye la uyavuka. Ujoyine lo mkhankaso, ujoyine lo mzabalazo. Uhambe kanye nami, uhambe kanye nathi. Uhambile 1893 sithi free Mthwakazi now. Sikhululeni. Mongabheka even one of my latest Truth and Love. I have a song here, Truth and Love, track number 3. Track number 3 uthi na Lamentations. Nithi cry O beloved country. Nithi mali kuyilizwe lethu sizolithatha ngomgqibelo. Nithi sizolithatha ngomgqibelo. It's not easy. Besithaya sifihla but manje ngithi mina enough is enough. If ngingakhulumanga kuzokhuluma ubani. Hats off. I'm inspired by umzwakhe Mbuli mayishaya struggle sakhe se-appetite. But thina ke Mthwakazi mbani ukhuluma nge-struggle set. Remember le album ethi struggle songs by umzwakhe Mbuli. Nangu ubhuti Bongani Mncube lapha eJoburg. Uthini protest poet. Usebenza uyazithaya lezi nkondlo. Mina bengishaya 1 by 1 or 2 songs in an album. Ngithi hayi man. Lami ngilomlando. I also have the responsibility to be the voice of the people. Which people? Abantu bakaMthwakazi. I want to be there. I want to be counted. I want to be involved in the struggle. I will fight with my pen and paper. I will fight with my voice and say free Mthwakazi. If we were free thina abantu bakaMthwakazi aluba sibhaqanga ezizweni. If we were free thina abantu bakaMthwakazi aluba sisekudeni. Aluba sisekudeni will be very far. Will be very far. I listened to Ubaba Umzila. Uthi yena if Gugurawundi was never there, the population of abantu bakaMthwakazi would be 100 times more today. The population, if Gugurawundi was not there. Ikho isihlobo zami esithandekayo angihlosanga ukuvusa amanxeba, angihlosanga to provoke. My intention is not to provoke anyone, but I want to say some years back I met I think maybe 2005 I had the opportunity to meet the chairperson uThembani uDube, the chairperson were 1893. Saxoxa, we had the same interest. Saxoxa sathi sikhathele wayiqala sakusoma le ndaba namhlanje lokho eyibambile. Wena ke uhlalelene uzoyibamba nini lokhu ubukele ukuthi hayi senzeni abantu sikhathele ngalaba abantu. But what are you doing about it? Talk is cheap. Talk is cheap. I've taken the responsibility lami ukuthi ke I will fight with my voice. I will fight with my voice. I will fight with my pen. A peaceful fight. Because all I'm saying, hey, no me, ngicela ungazi ukuthi mina ngumntaka Mzilikazi kaMashobane. Ngicela ungazi ngithi sizizulwane zikaNyongolo. Usazi, and we are proud of what we are, of who we are. Lapho esivelela khona, sesiqhenya ngakho. Asifuni ukwesaba omunye umuntu. I want to respect you. Anginandaba ukuthi ungihlobo bani, uyikho lokho yikho khona ku right kushaka. But lami ngikho lokho engikho khona. So ngicela ungihloniphe, lami ngiyakuhlonipha, asihloniphaneni. Vuka Mthwakazi. Asithembaneni, asithandaneni, asincedisaneni, asidonseni kahle kahle. Sithini isiNdebele, sithi amasongo akhala kuhle. Ma emabili amasongo. Akhala kuhle. Ma emabili amasongo. Let us work together. Mkhulu lo msebenzi omncane. Sasikhumbula islogan semakhosi theater. Mkhulu lo msebenzi. Ngiyazi namhlanje mangisuka lapha, even if bewudala, I've created a lot of enemies because of these 100% Mthwakazi songs. But akunandaba ukusala emqambamanga. If my songs, if my poems have caused a reaction, have forced someone to react, it means that is the truth. If I'm speaking rubbish, it's fine. Then why must the train not move? Because I'm speaking rubbish. Ngiyazi bazothi ngilecala. Mthwakazi omuhle. lina bakamalandela lina bakandlela zimhlophe ngilecala ngolile ngilecala icala lami libi ngoba ngelesibili icala lami libi ngoba ngelesibili liyongena okwesibili olesibili ngondile ngilecala icala lami liyofuna abameli ababili olesibili ngondile ngilecala ngithi bizani abazali bami bobabili lingibizele induna losobhuku bobabili ngibizele umlisa lo mvitiko bobabili ngifundeleni iTestament lesibili okwesibili funa lami ngizale kabusha kwesibili funa ngikhulule kuleli goda elibi okwesibili ngoba ngonile ngilecala icala lami ngilokuba lindebelele kamsilikasi kamashobana icala lami lesibili ngilokuba ngizalo kalobhengulo wamababo ngilokuba umthakazi omuhle icala lami libi bathi ngonile ngilecala icala lami liyofuna amajaji ababili ngolesibili ngoba ngelesibili icala lami liyofuna abameli ababili ngolesibili ngoba seliyongena okwesibili sasivele sichilo isangoma ngengoma esibili sasivele sichilo isangoma konongoma ukuthi icala lami libi ngelesibili amahlathi aphelile akusekho kucatsha litshele kanti uJambe ngivulele ngingene ngafa isilo litshele kanti uJambe ngithi lamlela ndwambe napha bafo bengibulala oh maye sengiyokukeletshele sengiyokiteletshele sengiyodanetshele sengizofa ngingafanga ejele ngoba icala lami libi ngoba ngelesibili. So ngisho kanjalo Mthakazi Muhle is one of my points engilobayo is simple saying I'm guilty but I'm not guilty because I am who I am. I didn't choose to be Mthakazi. God created me. God selected. And believe me, if I had a choice uNkulunkulu wathi khetha ufuna ukuba ngokwamthakazi ufuna ukuba yini, I will choose kuba umuntu wakwamthakazi. I will choose kuba lindebele likamzilikazi kamachobani because this is the best ever thing which has happened to me. Ukuthi ngibe lindebele likamzilikazi kamachobani. I am proud of who I am. I am proud of where I come from. I am proud of 1893. I am proud of everyone who's in this struggle. I'm proud of everyone who says Kukurahundi was bullshit. I'm sorry for the language, but I'm proud of everyone who doesn't support Kukurahundi, who see it as a crime. I am proud, and I'm with you. I performed Kudala. I used to have, I know, my late 90s. That was my perform. I landed the CRO and the Go team. And really, I would apologize in police, but what was I apologizing for? For speaking the truth. Oh, Ibo, I said in the Ganjalo, but in my two, my Samai Ganjalo. Iqiniso liyababa. Amanga mnandi, yes of course, and we all love amanga. Because namhlanje abantu bafuna ukubalekela iqiniso. Bafuna amanga. I don't know, siyophila kanjani. But Mthakazi kaNdaba ngithi mina azibuye emasisweni. Ngithi azibuye emasisweni kuzaze kube nini na sikhala isililo. Kuzaze kube nini na sikhala inkomo zabakhokho, inkomo zabobaba bethu. Esachithwayo imfuyo kwethu. Imizi yabobaba yashiswayo lupani. Kuzaze kube nini na sikhala inkayi, eJocholo, eBhinga, Mfolozi. Uzokhala kuze kube nini? Kuzaze kube nini na sigeleza inyembezi esigcwele umfula umzingwane, majawundi amahle, lina matshetshe amahle. Kuzaze kube nini na siyakhala kodwa omnyama ngasesilala tshani, kodwa kuzaze kube nini na yosukuma nini imbizo sithi mayihlome Mandebele. Umoya wezulu lonke lona asomoya wami sizazihlome We cannot all go and take our frustration, say, fake PF, see, fake the dynamos. That is a drop in an ocean. Let us claim our pride. Let us claim our rights. The rights to education. My right to be respected. My right to be given my history, true history, to be told my history, to be taught my language. My right to be right. Yes, I'm right. Give my people water. Do you remember Zambezi Water Project? This was a figure in Zambezi Water Project. Skhathele bana. Lithika ngibona. Sengiyophuma Mthakazo Muhle. Sengiyophuma Mthakazo Muhle. Sengiyohamba. Kodwa ke ngizokhaya one of my poems which I also ingenzi ngaba famous besides uChichinana ngayifaka lapha ke. Ithi yona ngesaba ukukhuluma izindaba. Ngoba abantu abaningi bavele bayisaba ukukhuluma izindaba. Lami ke ngiyesaba ukukhuluma izindaba. I was in trouble many times with this poem. Ngesaba ukukhuluma izindaba. Ngesaba ukucacada izindaba. Lithi kangibonge. Ngiyobonga kanjani na izandla zami ziboshiwe. Ngiyobonga kanjani na amehlo wami aphandliwe. Ngiyobonga kanjani na izindlebe zami zivinjiwe. Iphimbo lami lishile. Inyawo zami ziboshiwe. Ngesaba ukukhuluma izindaba. Ngesaba ukuthetha izindaba. Kodwa zikhona izindaba zisemaphalamende. Ngesaba ukucacada izindaba, ngesaba ukubhukuza izindaba, ngesaba ukuphehla izindaba, ngesaba ukwehlukanisa imphambo lomgogodla ngoba zikhona izindaba zisemaphalamende. Ngiyothula kanjani na amasotsha esechocha? Ngiyothula kanjani na amapholisa esepholisa izindaba? Emaphalamende sebephala izindaba, ezinkomponi sebekopa izindaba. Ngitshele Dlamehlo, ngibuza wena sizwa indala Dlamehlo, ngesaba kubuza abantwana Dlamehlo, ngingeke ngibona sengathi bayophaphalaza Dlamehlo, ngibona sengathi bayoxhamanda. Ngizwa Dlamehlo, ngizwa utsuturi lobuxokoxoko enxulumeni yakho. Uqatshone yini na Dlamehlo? Ngizwa utsuturi lobuxokoxoko enxulumeni yakho. Ngithi kuqatshone yini na Dlamehlo? Ngitshele Dlamehlo sizwa indala. Ngesaba ukubuza abantwana ngibona ngani bayophaphalaza. Ngizwa ubuxokoxoko lobutsuturi enxulumeni yakho. Kuqatshone yini na Dlamehlo? Oh, ngiyahlanza Dlamehlo. Ngihlanzele emazini esinatha kiwo. Ngihlanzele emazini esinatha kiwo. Khona lidle kudla bani Dlamehlo? Lidle kudla bani? Lahlanza ndawonye. Lidle kudla bani Dlamehlo? Lahlanza ndawonye. Itshele Dlamehlo. Ngibuza wena sizwa indala. Ngibuza wena sizwa indala. Ngitshele Dlamehlo. Ngithi Chichi na Chichi. Igama lami ngithabo kaNkomo, the founder and member and director of Ithabo Arts Academy. Ngiyinkomehla yodwa uThabo kaNkomo, ngilapha eMzansi ase-Afrika. Ngithi mina 061 855 9931. Ungithinte emoyeni Thabo Arts, email thaboarts3@gmail.com. Ngiyalithanda sihlobo zami esithandekayo kuhle ukuba lana. Ngiyeza futhi second round. Mthakazo muhle. Siqhenye Mthakazo. Sithi mayihlome ilizwe lonke eMandebele 1893 yiyo. Salute. Ngiyalithanda lonke. Umoya welizwe lonke eMandebele. Ziligcine kahle, ziligcine kuhle, mazilikhotha izinyoka zakwenu. ZilikaSkamashobane, mazilikhotha olobhengula. Zilikhumbula induna zakithi oGwabalanda, oFusi, oMkhokha. Umbiko kaMadlenge, omqabuko. Namhlanje ngikhumbula esotsha lithola umntwana. Salane kahle, sengihamba mina uThabo kaNkomo. Ngithi mina iChichi na